Hi, I'm Sam from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'm going to be talking you around this brand new vehicle.
It's my pleasure to introduce this fantastic brand new Volkswagen Touareg Black Edition Tiptronic 4Motion, seen here in a beautiful silicon grey. This vehicle is powered by a 3-litre TDI 286 PS diesel engine along with direct shift gearbox and comes included with optionally upgraded air suspension, driving assist package and more. The exterior benefits from optionally upgraded rear tinted windows, as well as these brilliant 21-inch leads alloy wheels that also add very nicely to the car's exterior looks. Moving now to the rear of the vehicle, you'll find the boot to be incredibly practical and spacious, offering plenty of room for your weekly shopping, suitcases along with much more. And another fantastic optional upgrade included with this vehicle is the power swiveling tow bar, which is perfect for your towing practicality needs. And if all that wasn't enough, you'll be pleased to know this vehicle benefits from having an electric tailgate, so in order to close the boot it's easy as just pressing a button. Your rear passengers will get to enjoy these fantastic optionally upgraded Vienna leather black and grey toned upholstery seats. Two of the rear seats also benefit from having ISOFIX child seat anchor points. You'll also be pleased to know that the rear of the vehicle also benefits from air conditioning along with heated rear seats. Moving in now to the front cabin, you'll find it to be extremely luxurious and modern, benefiting greatly from having a panoramic sunroof just above head. Both the driver and the front passenger will enjoy these fantastic R-line Vienna leather upholstery front seats with active climate control. And another fantastic feature to both the front seats is the electrically controlled tilt, reach and lumbar support, helping to ensure you can always travel in comfort. The driver will also enjoy this fantastic 3-spoke leather trimmed multifunctional steering wheel, in which you can use to control numerous settings like general driving data, driving profile, heads-up display settings, vehicle status checks, the hands-free telephone, the radio controls, the navigational system, driving assist settings and more from the digital dash. You'll also be able to switch between numerous different display views. The centre hosts this brilliant touchscreen display in which you can use to access the hands-free telephone controls, the radio settings, vehicle insights, the navigational system, device connectivity, along with much more. If that wasn't enough, you'll also be pleased to know this vehicle benefits from having front and rear parking sensors, as well as a rear view reversing camera and optionally upgraded heads-up display. The fantastic multi-zone air conditioning, along with the heated seats, are both easily controlled using a touchscreen display, helping to ensure that the driver, the front passenger, as well as all your rear passengers can enjoy their own customisable and comfortable climate. Panning down this modern and luxurious cabin, you'll find a sliding storage section, 2 built-in cup holders, as well as a folding armrest storage compartment. And just above your head you'll find some great features such as reading lights, which are perfect for after dark, as well as the controls for the fantastic panoramic sunroof.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 3 years manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance, along with much more. For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01978 340 600 or inquire online now.